Okay, sketch the graph of fx equals x plus the square root of x using addition of ordinates. In this case, we have to draw it, so we're going to first have to start off by saying what is the domain where I have to draw this. So I'm going to say let fx equals, oh, that's ugly, fx equals gx plus bx, and I'm going to say let this be where gx will equal the first value x, and I'm just going to draw y equals x, looks like that at 45 degrees. Okay, and px equals square root x, which looks like this. So where are these two the same? It's only going to exist there. That's where both of them takes place. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let's square root x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say the domain of gx equals all real values, domain of px equals from 0 to infinity, including 0, excluding infinity. Therefore, the domain of fx equals the domain of gx and the domain of that is px. In other words, that is only from there onwards, so that is from 0 to infinity. Now, when you draw the graph, you're going to have to draw it pretty accurately. I'll have to use, there I just did it really roughly. Now I'm going to do my graph a little bit neater than usual, because I have to do it. My graph is going to look like this. It's only going to exist on that side. I'm going to get, I know that that's at 45 degrees, so I'm just going to use, if you have something there, use 45 degrees. If you have your protractor, use 45 degrees just to get a pretty accurate drawing. So it's going to look like that. This is going to be fx. This is going to be gx. I'm then going to draw px, and on this scale, if this is 1 and this is 1, and so on. What I know with this graph, it starts at 0, it goes through 1, 1, and then it plateaus off, so it's going to go like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do the addition. To do the addition, I'm going to add my two graphs. Remember, I first look at the start and the end. So from here, this is gx, this is px. So if I say px plus gx, 0 plus 0 is 0, so it's going to be there. Px over here is going to be this distance added, so that was 1, so that becomes, that distance was 1, so it becomes 2. And over here at the end of my graph, if this was this, which was about 2, it's not very accurate, it's going to come up there, and so my graph is going to look like there. So that will be fx. The only place I'm going to have is the start and the end, and where they intersect, and that will be fx.